Beauty Boss Babes, tap in. I'm about to teach you guys how to do 10,000 in 60 days, all right? Now, the first thing we have to do is divide 10,000 by 60. We're going to get 166. That means you need to do $166 every single day to hit 10,000. Now, let's say you want to do 10,000 in 30 days. That means you need to do $333 every single day to get 10,000. Now, to make $274 every single day, if you do that every single day for a year, you'll get $100,000 every single year, okay? So this is for my beauty businesses who are not making any sales in their business. We're about to run the play, all right? So just watch the whole video, and I'm gonna drop some good gems, okay? So the first thing we have to think about is always increasing our AOV, your average order value. So for example, you're going to get a client, let's say she comes in, services is $100, right? The first thing you need to be thinking about is a add on, okay? What can you add on in her service that gives her more bang for her buck, right? But it also helps you make more money. So let's say you're a makeup artist, you want to offer her a hydration mask that's going to help with her makeup lasting longer, shrinking the pores, whatever the case may be. So now you're going to hit her with $25 for that hydration mask. So now you just went from just $100 for services to $125. So now let's say she's getting ready to leave and you hit her with a product that's another $25. It could be a lip kit, it could be whatever, a touch-up kit, whatever. So now instead of her spending just $100, now she's spending $150, okay? These are going to be ways for you to increase your cash flow. No business will be able to survive without having cash flow in the business, okay? So imagine adding another $50 every single day per client. You're going to easily hit that additional 166 to make your 10,000 in 60 days. Does that make sense? Follow along with me. Now, the only way that you can really profit in your business is if you have multiple sources of income coming in. Not just the services. We have to think about add-ons and we have to think about selling a bomb product, okay? Now, the only way you're going to really be able to get this to work for you every single time a client comes in, you have got to figure out who your dream client is, where they hang out at, okay? And once you find your dream clients become repeat clients, okay? And repeat clients also refer other people to the business, okay? So this creates a whole system of now you finding the people who actually want what you have. Because a lot of you guys are pretty much selling cheese to a cheese lover and not cheese to a vegan. And what I mean by that is you're actually selling things to people who don't want what you have. This is why your sales are not growing. But if you find your dream client values you, okay? Your dream client values you. And so at this point, you become an asset to them. And then, come on now, when we become an asset, now it's like they have to have us in their lives at all times, whether it's lashes, makeup, hair, whatever. And so once you figure out where your dream client is, where they hang out at, and how to be able to market to them, now the money is going to come in. The money is going to come in like crazy, okay? So with that being said, I need you guys to really sit down and figure out, where does my clients hang out at? So for example, if you are a makeup artist and you want to do more brides, where do brides hang out at? You need to be on every venue, or venues in your area. You need to be there as far as on their vendors list. Wedding photographers, florists, bridal boutiques, you need to be in those places and on those people's vendors list, right? So you can get the clients that you want, okay? If you are a body sculpting technician, you need to be in the gyms, Pilates studios, Herbalife centers, wellness bars, juicing bars, kickboxing facilities, or kickboxing classes. You have to go where your dream client is. Stop selling cheese to a vegan and sell cheese to a cheese lover. Sell what you have to people who want what you have. And that's how you're going to make your money. Now, if you are only using social media, TikTok, Facebook, whatever, to find your audience, you're going to miss every time. And the reason being is because social media sends your information out to people, but it doesn't mean it's going to send it to the right people. Okay? So we want to focus on who is the person who is going to come into me more than one time. Your dream client predicts your future income, because your dream client is going to come in very often, every 2 weeks, every month, a couple times a month, whatever the case may be. Your non-dream client is only going to come in one time and you're never going to see her again. Okay? So I now have something I want to give to you, okay? I have my Booked and Busy playbook, all right? The Booked and Busy playbook is going to allow you to get clients, know where they hang out at, create systems in play, so you will be able to start to make this $10,000 a month, $10,000 in 2 months, whatever the case may be, whatever your goals are, okay? So stick around, go to the link in the bio, okay? Go ahead and download it. It's instant access. You can put it on Afterpay, okay? You can make 4 easy payments of $20 or whatever it is, okay? And you go ahead and get lifetime instant access to be able to stay booked and busy and find your dream client. See ya.